let me share my screen one more time, and we're going to go back to the article here so that we are going to apply what we learned. This news is from China.
This news is from China. This news is from China.
This. Good. Yeah, so also, Ahmed, try to copy my speed. Listen
Okay, I will do
carefully
that. I will
one
do
more
that.
time. This news is from China.
This news is from China.
Better. A man is on a highway.
A man is on a highway.
Highway. A man is on a highway.
A man is on a highway.
He wants to cross it.
He wants to cross it.
This is dangerous.
This is dangerous.
Dangerous.
Good
job. You pronounced that correctly. Back to this issue. Remember what we talked about here? This.
Okay.
This. Good. Now let's connect all of it. This is dangerous.
Okay. This is dangerous.
MashaAllah. Beautiful. Good job. Okay. Two cars come. They might hit each other. Good job. They try to avoid an accident. But they hit each other.